Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Facebook page name. So first of all, open your any browser and log in Facebook account, then switch your Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page dashboard. So before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get start. Look at the right corner, click on to Facebook page name. Click on settings. After that, scroll down, page setup, select the name option, and here you can easily change your Facebook page name. And then finally click on to reboot change, then successfully change Facebook page name. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more videos.